Okay, so we have these two particular sheet, all right, our worksheet, which is your the sales and the analysis, and all the branch code are now sorted. Okay. So the next step that we want is actually we want to subtotal it. Okay, we want to subtotal all this same branch and put it over here in a different sheet. All right, the same over here. Okay, so we want to subtotal all this, all right, and actually put it over here. All right, so in short, basically, we want to use a function to do that. That is what the question actually wants. So to do a function, basically, of course, we can just use the insert function. Right? And what is a function that we want? Okay, I obviously want to total. So to total something, I can actually use the sum function. Right? See, add all the numbers. Okay, in a particular range. Now, because they are already sorted, so they are all grouped together. Right? All I have to do, click this little button here. Right? So if I'm doing for Amsterdam, what Amsterdam is from this one here, and select all the way up here. Right? So this one is Amsterdam, and click OK. Do I want another one? Actually, I don't need. All right. So when I click OK, right, the subtotal of all this value here, right, comes into this, right, and can look at the formula on the top. Right, you can actually look at the formula up here. So it can actually cross, right, files. See, a different XLS file, but no problem. But you will just go to this file over here, this sheet, and this range.